Now look at this problem. This is again a problem of factorization. Okay, that means whenever they ask you to factorize, definitely the problem has to be given in the expanded form. So this is in the expanded form. And you can find here there are two perfect cubes. There are two perfect cubes. So two perfect cubes indicates that this is definitely in the form of a plus b the whole cube. So let me write the formula first. It is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube is equals to a plus b the whole cube. So my first work is to identify where are the perfect cubes and what are the cube root of that. See, one cube is here. 8x cube is a perfect cube. Its cube root of 8 is 2. X cube root is x. So it is 2x the whole cube. That means I got the value of a. What is a? A is equals to 2x. Likewise, there is one more b cube term is there. 27y cube. Cube root of 27 is 3. 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 27. As well as y cube root is y. That means my b is what? 3y. That I should write here. But keep in mind that value of b is equals to 3y. Let me write here. Plus 3a square 2x the whole square into b. B means how much? Here is the cube term. Its cube root is 3y. So 3a square b plus 3ab square 3a means what? 2x into b square 3y the whole square plus b cube 3y the whole cube. If you want to verify your answer, multiply these three and check. You should get 36x square y. Check it. 2 square 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 36 x square y x square. Multiply these three and check. It should be 54xy square. See, 3 square 9. 9 2s are 18. 18 3s are 54. 54xy square. So my work is to find out what is a plus b the whole cube. What is a? A I should take from here 2x. B I should take from here. It is 3y the whole cube. That is the end of. Let me go for one more problem here. 125 m cube minus 75 by 2 m square plus 15 by 4 m minus 1 by 8. Now my first work is to identify, are there two perfect cubes? Are there two perfect cubes? Here is the first perfect cube, 125m cube. 125 is a perfect cube. 5 cube is 125. But where is one more perfect cube? That is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 which is 1 by 2 the 1 by 2 the this one. No. It is 1 by 2 the whole cube. Let me start. Let me write the formula. A cube. Since minus and plus are there, definitely this is the formula of a minus b the whole cube, because we know that a minus b the whole cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube is the formula. So I will write a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube is equals to a minus b the whole cube. See, whenever it is a plus b the whole cube, all terms are positive. When it is a minus b the whole cube, 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus. So plus minus combination is always it is a minus b the whole cube. Come on, first a cube. From here 5m the whole cube. 5m the whole cube. Okay? Then minus b. I should not change anything. Minus b into a square. A square means 5m the whole square. Into b. B is what? B is here. This is b cube. This is b cube. B means 1 by 2. It is into 1 by 2. Again plus 3 ab square. A is known, b is known. A 5m. B means 1 by 2 the whole square. Then minus b cube, minus b 1 by 2 the whole cube. Let me check whether my problem is correct or not. Okay, multiply these three and check. You should get this answer. 5 square, 25, 25 3s are 75, m square divided by 2 divided by 2. Come here, multiply all these three and check. So 5 3s are 15. 1 square is 1 only, 5 3s are 15. M denominator 2 is there, 2 square is 4. So your problem is right. Now my answer is a minus b the whole cube. A means is here 5m minus b minus 1 by 2 the whole cube. That is the end of the problem. Okay, write on this. Over. Okay. This is about your a plus b the whole cube and a minus b the whole cube. Factorize. I have given you the expanded form and you have converted this into factor form. After this, you are going to learn two important formulae. Very, very important formulae. And let us do those two formulae today. The first one is a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube. Listen here students, you have studied a plus b the whole cube. You have studied a plus b the whole cube is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now we are going to learn a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A very, very new formula for you, not learned earlier. And we have one more formula. A cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. These are the two new formula you are going to learn today. But before that, my dear children, can you tell me in this formula which is the factor form and which is the expanded form? I have told you, whichever you are writing in the brackets, one bracket into second bracket into third into inside the bracket, if you write, that is called as the factor form. In that way, can you say this is the factor form and this is called as expanded form. This is called as the factor form, this is called as expanded form. In the examination, you may get a question, show that this is equal to this into this. So I am going to prove it today that product of these two you are going to get this answer. So let me multiply these two and let me obtain this answer, that is under the heading show that. Let me multiply. RHS is equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. My dear children, this is called as multiplication of binomial into trinomial. Many of you may be knowing how to multiply. Even then I will show you. Look at it. I will take a outside. This is called as multiplication of binomial into trinomial. So I will take a outside and let me keep the bracket as it is, a square minus ab plus b square. Plus b outside. That means this binomial will break. A I will take once, this is as it is. B I will take once, inside the bracket terms will be as it is. A square minus ab plus b square. Go on, multiply. Come on. A into a square, a cube minus a into ab. It is a square b. A into b square, let me write plus ab square. My dear children, while writing, see that a will come first, b will come next, so that in future cancellation will be easy for you. So a into b square, it is ab square. Okay, shall I continue? Plus b into a square, I will write again a square b A square B. Let me write A first, B next. Multiply this. B into AB minus AB square. This is plus B cube. Check. Any terms are getting cancelled? Minus A square B plus A square B gets cancelled. Plus AB square minus AB square gets cancelled. What is left out? Which is equals to A cube plus B cube, which is equals to LHS. That is the end of the problem. My dear children, can you solve that problem under the heading show that in the same way? That is your homework. That is your homework. Write down this. Let's go for one problem. Okay, one of the problems we can solve based on this identity. Factorize. See, when I have given the heading factorize, that means I should give in the expanded form. Okay. Say 64 x cube minus 125 y cube. My dear children, by seeing the problem itself, you can understand it is the form of a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube. But we should know what is a and what is b. A is not 64x. Students are making the mistake. 64x cube, they'll think that a is equal to 64x. Definitely wrong. I will write this, which is equals to 4x the whole cube, because you know that 4 into 4 into 4 is equals to 64, or cube root of 64 is equals to 4, minus 5y the whole cube. 5y the, I got the value of a, I got the value of b. Let me write the formula. A cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Listen to me, student. This is no doubt the factors. They ask you to factorize, and these are the factors. Okay, a cube, or I can write 4x the whole cube minus 5y the whole cube is equals to. Readily you are knowing the values of a and b. A is equals to 4x, b is equals to 5y. You only just to substitute the values. That's all. A minus b. 4x minus 5y. 4x minus 5y into a square. It is 4x the whole square. Let me put a big bracket here. 4x the whole square plus ab 4x into 5y. 4x into 5y. Is it right? A into plus b square plus 5y the whole square. 5y the whole square. Okay, final answer 4x minus 5y into 4x square. Makle, listen to me. It is not 4x square. It is 4x the whole square. Means 4 also has to be square. X also has to be square. It is 16x square plus 20xy plus 25y square. 25. These are called as the factors of this particular problem. Let me go for one more problem. Let me take 343 m cube plus 1 by 27. That's all. 1 by 27. Now the question is, under the heading again, under the heading what? Factorize. Under the heading factorize. 343. It is the cube of what? Or what is the cube root of 343? The cube root of 343 is 7. Keep in mind, 7 into 7 into 7 is equals to 343. So can I write it as which is equals to 7m the whole cube plus 1 by 3. Very good. 1 by 3 the whole cube. 1 by 3 the whole cube. Okay, now let me write the formula. It is a cube plus b cube is equals to a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Come on. 7m the whole cube plus 1 by 3 the whole cube is equals to a plus b. 7m plus 1 by 3 into a square. 7m the whole square minus into b. A into b. 7m into 1 by 3. A into b. I know a, I know b. This a into b plus b square. 1 by 3 the whole square. 1 by 3 the whole square. Come on. 7m plus 1 by 3 into 7m the whole square. 7m the whole square. Maklane, whole square means both the terms which inside the bracket has to be square. It is 49m square. See this. 7m into 1 minus 7m by 3 as it is plus 1 by 3 the whole square gives you 1 by 9. That is the end of the problem. Write down this. Okay students, these are the two problems homework for you under the heading a cube minus b cube, and it is again factorize. Heading is factorize.